How to create an invoice with Brisk Invoicing. Go to your dashboard and simply click on the green Create an Invoice button. Enter the customer details, invoice items, unit prices, tax rate, any discounts, and shipping costs. Click the green Create Invoice button to create your invoice. Continue watching for additional details on creating and customizing an invoice with Brisk Invoicing. There are a few ways to access the Create an Invoice link. From the dashboard, simply click on the green Create an Invoice button, or click on the New Invoice button in the top right corner of the Invoices page. In the New Invoice window, click on the arrow next to the Customer field to open the dropdown. Select an existing customer or click on Add a new customer. To create a new customer, enter the customer's name, address, and other contact details. Click Save Customer and they will be added to the invoice and your customer database. After selecting a customer, the billing address, date, invoice number, payment terms, and shipping address will automatically be entered on the invoice. You can easily change the payment terms using the drop-down list combined with Days field. We recommend using the automated invoice numbering system to avoid any duplicate invoices. The purchase order number and salesperson fields are optional. Now it's time to enter the item details for the invoice. Enter the quantity, item code, description of goods or services, unit price, and tax rate. The total will be automatically calculated from this information. The item code is an optional field. If you have not set up your tax rate yet, click the drop-down arrow for the field and select Manage Taxes. Click the green Create Tax button, enter the tax name that will appear on your invoice, the rate, and any other details. Then click Save Tax. Close the Manage Taxes dialog and select your new tax from the drop-down list. Continue adding your items to the invoice. They will be saved to your item table for future use. Each time that an item is added, an empty row will automatically be added for your next item. You can also click the Add Item button to add additional rows. To delete an item that was incorrectly entered, simply click on the X located on the far right of the row. To apply a discount to the entire invoice or to an item, click on the Add Discount button. You have three options to choose from. First, apply a fixed amount discount to the whole invoice. Second, apply a fixed percentage discount to the whole invoice. Or third, apply individual discounts to every line item. Click the radio button next to the correct discount type. For fixed discounts, enter the amount or percentage. For the individual line discounts, an additional column will be displayed on the invoice for item discounts to be entered. Enter the discount percentage for each item that has a discount. Click on the Shipping link in the Totals section to expand the Shipping Costs section. Enter the shipping cost and the shipping tax if applicable. Click on the Preview Invoice button below the totals to review it. When you are ready, click on the Create Invoice button drop-down arrow to select one of the options for issuing of the invoice. You can easily just create the invoice, create and email, or create and print it. You can also choose to set it up as a recurring invoice, save it as a draft, or create and preview your invoice. That's how easy it is. Create and send your first invoice now. Explore more video tutorials to find out how to issue a quote, apply payments, and run reports.